Example 3. The sum of n terms of a sequence of numbers is given as Sn equals n over 2 times 7n plus 3. Calculate the sum of 17 terms of the sequence. Hence, calculate the 17th term. Solution. To calculate the sum of 17 terms of the sequence, we substitute n equals 17 in the expression. S17 equals 1037. Recall the formula for the series as the sum of the terms in a sequence. We can rewrite the expression as sum of n-1 terms of the sequence plus nth term. Rearranging the terms, we have already calculated S17. We now calculate S16 by substituting n equals 16. Therefore, S16 equals 920. We can now determine the 17th term by substituting the values of S17 and S16 in the equation. T17 equals 117.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.